This is mullein. I don't know if anybody's ever heard of it before. Grows in pastures. It's got furry leaves. It gets a big spiky cone with yellow flowers on it. Back in the olden days, that big spiky cone with flowers on it, they would let get full and then start turning to seed, and it gets like tufts on it. And then they would use that as torches. The cones would use as torches. The leaf is actually good for respiratory illnesses. I'm not giving medical advice, but if you look in your herb and ancient medicines, this is mullein, and it was used for respiratory issues. If you see it, let it grow. It gets beautiful. It's a beautiful big plant. Beautiful yellow flowers, cone flowers all over it. We collect it every year and dry it to use in the wintertime when we get icky coughs. Here's another one. The flowers are just forming.
This is called plein air painting. Paint outside.
Yeah.
I don't know why they call it that. The French came up with the name. I'm Tom Acosta. I live in McDowell County at Kimball. I'm here painting today. It's my first painting at the farm. It's a beautiful place. If you hadn't been here, you need to come over and check it out. All of my paintings are for sale that I do, and you can contact me on Facebook at American Realism by Tom Acosta, or you can just Google my name and get information that way.